Hi, Martin here at GSA Golf in Naples, Florida. We're looking today at the Bcam ball spin camera mounted in an overhead position as opposed to a side mounted position. This is actually the second video of the Bcam ball spin camera. The first video demoed the Bcam side mounted using spin dot balls. Just to recap, side mounting the Bcam allows you to use spin dot balls so that you don't have to align any ball markings to the camera. Its disadvantage is that it can only be used for either a left or a right-handed player at a time. When mounting the Bcam overhead, both left and right-handed players can use the system without having to move the unit. However, its disadvantage is that ball markings, usually a stripe, have to be aligned to the camera every time you tee up, i.e. the marking has to be pointing straight up. Another advantage of side mounting the Bcam is that we can see up to 360 degrees of rotation within the 1 millisecond time frame. This shot, using the Bcam side mounted, shows that ball markings, in this case dots, don't or rarely go out of view of the camera during normal backspin. Here the red and green crosshairs show the angles of the dot patterns, and from this we can calculate the amount of rotation, thus the spin rate. Back to using the Bcam in the overhead position, the system automatically searches for a ball on the hitting mat before and after every shot. If you have the control panel open, an animation will be displayed during this search. Once a ball has been detected on the mat, the system goes into a wait mode and waits for the ball to be struck. You can check in the camera window to see the detected ball and also check that the settings are correct. Ball launch position and trigger position can be set, but are not really required in the overhead position setup. Do make sure though that the Bcam overhead and spin line logo options have been selected. Okay, let's put a ball on the mat and hit a shot using a sandwich here. We've only got the Bcam connected here, so you can ignore ball speeds and launch angles. They're just test values. It's the measured spin rate and spin axis we're interested in. The camera captures two frames, one of the ball stationary on the mat, that's the reference frame, the other is of the ball in flight. You can see here how the line on the ball has rotated backwards in frame 2 compared to frame 1. This is the backspin, and how the line angle, shown by the red and green crosshairs, has also rotated slightly. And this is the side spin. Okay, let's hit another ball with a sandwich. You can switch from frame 1 to frame 2 in the control panel and also display both frames together using the composite option. And now a shot with a 4-iron. Notice that there is a lot less backspin with a 4-iron compared to the sandwich. Okay, that's basically how the Bcam works when mounted in the overhead position. Bear in mind that when using the Bcam mounted in the overhead position there are certain limitations. These include not being able to put your head over the ball for a shot because your head will block the camera view to the ball. Spin rate calculations when putting or with certain wedge shots is thus not normally possible. In addition, you'll have to line up the ball markings to the camera for every shot, and if the spin rate is too high, the marking may rotate out of the view of the camera. Okay, that's it for today. Please visit our website at GSAGolf.com for more details of this and other GSA Golf products. Thanks for watching and bye for now.